Welcome to Extreme Kids TV. Previously on Beast Hunters.
Soldier, Bigfoot has escaped from North America by hiding on a container ship destined for Ireland. Confirmed sightings have located him in the mountain region of Mourns. It's your job to track him down. We want him alive. Use the high concentrated tranquilizer darts. Now, go get him, soldier.
I see him. I'm going to get him. I think I got him. It looks like he got away. I think I need to find him on my tracker. I found him, getting away. There he is over there. I need to get him. No time to lose.
Okay, I surrender. I have no money.
It's only a person.
Can I go now?
Yes. Bigfoot is there. I see him on my frontal camera. I'm going to get him, and I need him alive. There's some Bigfoot hair. I'm gonna go take it back to the lab and study it.
Don't forget to like and subscribe below.